Hey, I'm Ken.
And I'm Leanne.
And this is Journeys with Ken and Leanne.
Early in the morning.
Early in the morning. Not too early. It's 9 o'clock. All right, so we came out here today to move some rocks, save some money on some riffraff for our gully back in the back, our culvert.
Right, where they put the pipe in.
Yeah, and we're gonna also probably put some brakes on the road coming down so the water doesn't wash away the road or get too fast coming down here. That'll save a couple $100 in riffraff if we collect the big rocks around here. That's what me and Rick discussed. Anyways, well, we got down here and we noticed that they've done some more work out here. Looks like they've dug out the foundation for the garage also. And it looks like they've done a little bit of moving around of dirt, getting ready to build up the pad for the workshop.
The most important part of the property.
That is true. That is true.
Moon Pie Creations. It's on my cup.
Yes, it is. Moon Pie Creations.
All
Greatest
right.
YouTube channel on the inner tube.
Okay. Well, let's get started before it gets hot. Okay, I'm standing on the back corner of the wraparound porch, and 16 feet forward is the corner of the deck over about 8 feet from where I'm standing now. So what we're trying to do is decide where the most important building on the property is going to go, and that's your shop.
That's right. So where the camera's at is about 33 feet or so from the corner of the house,
Right.
the porch.
And so we're kind of looking at the lay of the land because we want your shop to be up.
Yes.
I mean, they'll build it up.
But I don't want the shop like too far away from the house.
He doesn't want it
I got to
to-
walk back and forth. You know how often I forget crap in the house.
Not now.
Yeah, you say that. Yeah, I won't put nothing in the house, babe. I swear.
That's right.
All right. Well, let me roll this around so they can see. All right. So this is what we're talking about right here. You can see the property kind of lulls down right here, and then goes up a little bit, and then lulls back down. Well, they're gonna have to build it up a little bit. So if they put the shop right here, they'd have to build it up a little bit here. So we're not really sure exactly where we want it. You can see it pitches down over on that side to my right.
I need some dirt.
We have some. It's right there.
We need more than that.
Yes, I know. They'll figure it out. Like, I've already said that they could end up taking this dirt down and using that dirt over here to fill in.
That may work better because that would go with the natural fall off, because right behind those trees, the ridge drops
Yep.
700 and some feet.
Interesting thing about this trailer, I found it at the dump, had rotted tires, got new tires, brought it home, got new tires, and boom, got ourselves a trailer. So you may be thinking, what the hell are they doing? Well, we got this culvert put in, and all the dirt and stuff is going to wash down this way, and we don't want it getting into the culvert. So what we're going to do is line it with some of this weed paper, and then fill it up with all the rocks that we collect in here that she's been collecting. I've been just goofing off. So
He went to the store and left me here. I ate breakfast, I gathered rocks,
damn Skippy.
I emptied rocks.
Yes, you did.
No.
You're
It's-
awesome.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right, it does. All right, so we're gonna start putting this down. Look at that strump on her. to do is slow the water down. So. Maybe give them a little taste of it. Yeah!
Mascara and mussels. Mussels and mascara. Something, I don't know.
We have about 2 more loads to go, or 3, maybe 4, who knows. But we're just gonna cover it so the water comes down and it'll fill up and then go without washing all that dirt down. Oh my God! Holy holy doing? Oh snake! There's a big black snake in here.
Can you get him?
Nah, he's in the middle. Cemetery, yeah. We'll call him Norm. How's that?
All right, yeah, I'm gonna toss another big one.
Okay.
There he goes. There he goes.
There he
Get the camera.
There's Norm. Look at that son-bitch. He is. Bye, Norm.
Thanks for keeping all the other snakes away.
I'm okay with that guy.
Love me a black snake.
He scared the shit out of me, but
It may have been a king snake. Didn't he have a white ring around his neck?
I didn't see his neck. I ran.
Oh. Watch us go back and look at the camera and he's a poisonous snake of some sort and we're naming him Norm.
Alright, I think that's good for now.
I think
We
so.
could probably use a lot of smaller ones, but let's worry about where the water rushes down the hill, start blocking
I
off
was
the
going to
side.
say, wait, this is good for right now.
Yep. So, I'm going to put these right across in here, because I want to slow the water down here so it doesn't come put some in here. So, like the big ones I'm going to bring over here.
As always, we appreciate you watching. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. Go check us out on Facebook, Journeys with Ken and Leanne, and Instagram, the same name. Well, until next time, hope you enjoyed the journey.
You got this, you got that.